This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open a Vanguard account online in about 15 minutes and verify your identity with a driver license or passport. Choose between individual taxable accounts, traditional IRA, and Roth IRA based on tax goals, and link an external bank for transfers. Vanguard offers /bin/sh commission on online U.S. stock and ETF trades, which keeps costs low for active buyers. Fund your account by ACH, wire, or check and confirm the settlement. Once funded, you can place trades, set up automatic investments, or roll over a 401 case. Begin by assessing your time horizon and risk tolerance. Shorter horizons favor more bonds, longer ones more stocks. Start with low-cost index funds or target date funds with expense ratios often 0.04% to 0.20% to minimize drag on returns. Consider asset allocation like 60% stocks and 40% bonds as a starting point, then adjust for age or goals. Use Vanguard ETFs for intraday liquidity and mutual funds for automatic investing and dollar-cost averaging through scheduled transactions. Monitor fees, minimums, and tax reporting to preserve returns. Many Vanguard mutual funds require a 0.00 minimum, but many ETFs have no minimum share requirement. Vanguard reports taxable income on Form 1099 each year, including dividends and capital gains, so plan estimated taxes for taxable accounts. Rebalance annually and use automatic investments or dividends to stay on target with your allocation and avoid emotional trading. Review performance, read prospectuses, and contact Vanguard support or a financial advisor for complex questions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.